Good morning, children. So today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Subtraction, chapter 4. Let us recall. Now children, addition means you have understood that we have to add, and now I am going to explain you about subtraction. Let us recall. Subtraction is the process of taking away. So children, what is this subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Suppose you are having here, you can see here, fill in the boxes. Exercise 1, you can see taking away things means, suppose you are having 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From these 7 balls, I have taken 1 ball. Then how many balls you are having now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 balls we were having. Then minus. This is a sign of minus. Okay. So 7 balls we were having. Then minus. Then we have taken 1 ball. So 7 minus 1, 6. The next you see, we are having 7 gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gifts. From these 7 gifts we have removed these 2 gifts. Then how many gifts left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will be 5. Then same way you can see, here we are having 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from 6 flower we have taken this 1 flower. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Then again you see, here we are having 4 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 4 teddy bears we have taken this 2 teddy bears. Then how many left? 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then here you see, how many cups? 10 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From these 10 cups, we have removed 1 cup. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many cups left? Here, 9. Same way here, 6 lions are there, out of which 2 we have taken out. So, 6 minus 2 equals to 4. The next you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 9 we have taken already 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it will be 7. Then again you see how many pictures of elephants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this 8 we have taken this 3. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Hope children you have understood this. Subtraction means taking away. Means subtract means we have to minus. How many things we are having? If we will take from that 1 or 2 things, then how many things will left? The answer, that is known as subtraction. Now you can see this. This sign, the sign minus indicates subtraction. You see the sign, this minus sign, this is the sign which indicates subtraction. The sign dash indicates subtraction. It is read as minus sign. So this sign we are reading as minus sign. Always remember, this sign we are reading as minus sign. Suppose you take an example, we read 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Suppose we are having 5 balls. Okay, I am showing you in copy. See, suppose we are having here 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 balls I am taking 2 balls. Okay, out of 5 balls I am taking 2 balls. So I have taken this 1 ball. Then I have taken this ball. Okay, then how many balls we were having? We were having 5 balls. Then how many minus means we have to take, how many balls I have taken? I have taken 2 balls. Then equals to how many left? 1, 2, 3. So answer will be 3. So subtraction is a process of taking away. So I have shown you with example how we are taking away. Suppose we are having 5 balls. We have taken this 2 balls. 5 minus 2, 3 balls, it is left. Then again 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Is that clear? 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now this 2 is called subtraction fact. The answer we got from here, the answer we got 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now this answer is known as subtraction fact. Is that clear, children? This answer is known as subtraction fact. Then you see the difference of 5 and 3 is 2. So the difference, here the difference is only the answer. Suppose 5 and 3, here it is given different. Different means what are the difference? Minus. Here we have done the difference of 5 and 3 means 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Then coming, the answer in subtraction is called the difference. Whatever answer we are getting in subtraction, it is known as difference. What it is known as? It is known as difference. The next one, the symbol of subtraction is this sign. Is that clear, children? This minus sign. The symbol of this subtraction is minus sign. That only it is given in book. We can have a read. The sign minus indicates subtraction. It is used as minus sign. Then we read 5 minus 3 equals to 2 as 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then you see 5 minus 3 equals to 2 is called a subtraction fact. In 5 minus 3 equals to 2, 2 is called the subtraction of 5 and 3. Now take out page number 70. Children, you can see this and you can do your work. Like 6 bananas are there. 1, 2, 3. Exercise 2. Fill in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 it is given. Minus means we have to take 2. From 6 we have to take 2. We have already taken 2. Answer is 4. Same way you have to do this exercise 1. Exercise 2. This is exercise 2B part. You have to complete it in your book. And this also exercise 2 part C also you have to complete it in your book. Hope you have understood till here. This exercise 3 and exercise. Okay, let me explain this exercise 3 also. Suppose using counter, find the difference. So question is 7 minus 3 it is given. Okay, so 7 minus 3, 1, 2 we have drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have drawn 7 circles. From these 7 circles we have taken this 3 circle. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written here 4. So same way you have to do it. Here it is given already 8. So you have to draw 8 circle over here. After drawing 8 circle, you will, okay, let me do this for you. I will draw 8 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 circle, I have taken this 3 circle. So 1, 2, 3. How many left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Okay, children. Same way you have to do all this exercise in your book. Is that clear, children? This exercise also same way you have to do. You see, first number is done for you. It is given 5. First you will minus this. Okay, first you will minus this. First digit. You can write over here. Okay, you can write over here tens. You can write over here tens. You can write here ones and tens. See, first you will minus this ones. 5 minus 4, how much? 1. You have written here 1. Then this 1 minus, here nothing given. So 1, it will come here like this only. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Same way you have to do this. But before doing this, you have to write here ones and tens. In this way also, children, you have to complete this in your book. Let me do this also for you. You see ones. First you have to subtract this ones. 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Then this 1 minus, here it is nothing given. So we will take it as 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Same way, children, you have to complete this. Page number 74 also. So your work is your book work is you have to do page number 69. Okay, page number 69, exercise 1. Page number 70, exercise 2, bit A. Page number 71, bit B. And page number 72, bit C. You have to complete this in your book. Exercise 3 also you have to complete this in your book. How I have told, you have to complete that way. Page number 73 and page number 74. You have to complete these all things in your book. I hope you have understood till here. So next part we will do in next class. Thank you all.